I built this PC for about 600 euros and it delivers some crazy performance for that price. This PC has Ryzen 5 5600 with 6 cores and 12 threads. This CPU is capable for doing some workstation without problems or crashing, and when we mention gaming and its 32 megabytes of L3 cache, you just can't be wrong with this one. I paired that CPU with Asus B450 motherboard with 16 gigabytes of Kingston Fury RAM that works on 3200 megahertz with XMP profile. Without GPU, this PC wouldn't be able to run, so I put RX 6600 for 1080p gaming. I played every esports title on high refresh rate, and those AAA games that are more GPU demanding like Red Dead Redemption 2, Forza Horizon 5, Elden Ring, and etc. Those PC parts are not that power hungry, so you don't need some crazy-ass powerful power supply for it. To cool this CPU, it's enough to use stock cooler, but I prefer higher and stable clock speeds, so I bought Arctic Freezer 34 that makes my CPU stay under 50 degrees Celsius on 100% load. Here are some benchmarks, but unfortunately I don't have a ton of games, so I will show you only Fortnite RDR2 and Minecraft with shaders.
My heart rages